Hello students, welcome back to CLARI Concepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. For more videos on engineering concepts, you can log in to our website www.clariconcepts.com. Today in this lecture, we are going to talk about pressure variation in a static fluid, and this will be really interesting video for all of you. And once you go through this video, you will get exact clarity on what happens to the pressure when you go horizontal direction or when you go in downward direction or vertical direction, right? So when you have a fluid at rest, and what is the behavior of pressure along horizontal and vertical direction. So in this lecture, you are really going to enjoy a lot. So stay with us. So let us take one funny example that you went to a swimming pool with a pressure gauge in your hand, okay? And you jumped from the top of the swimming pool and your task is to go to the bottom wall and walk a bit. And I would request you to keep an eye on this pressure gauge. What happens to the pressure gauge at different position of yours, right? So let us look at that. So what did you observe? Look at it one more time very closely and then I'll ask you. See, what did you observe? That when you were moving from top to bottom, the pressure was increasing. The pressure gauge was showing you the deflection in the needle. And when you started moving horizontal direction, the pressure gauge needle was not changing. That means it has showed you the same pressure. Why is it so? So let us now understand this why and answer this why. Okay. So let me first take 3 points in the corner. One is point A, one is point B, and one is point C. Alright. Now, point A is open to atmosphere and therefore the pressure at that particular point will be atmospheric pressure.